Sanibonani, welcome back to a video. Thank you so much for tuning in to Mkosnophilile Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you very much. Please kindly subscribe if you haven't done so. Subscribe, like a video, share a video as well as watching those ads. Okay, so Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu. Namhlanje ke I'm back with a review when it comes to ke Uthando Nesithembu episode 6. Sigcine senze episode 4 no 5. You know sometimes ngizama reviews ama episode omabili esedlalile evikini. So I'm interested in doing episode 6. I'm just gonna touch up some things there in the beginning of the episode. When you kumbuti last time, I think that was episode 5, where siqedeke ubaba uMzamsele ekhulumisana ke nomama umamkhulu ngale ndaba leyo kuthiwa ke umama mamkhulu ba akekho umuntu abamseve njengaye lapha ekhaya kaMseleku engathi akaphathekile kahle ke umama mamkhulu ngalolu daba ukuthi sengathi kuthiwa ke yena nje ngathi akenzi lutho mabethi akekho umuntu esimseve njengomamkhulu ishimizi nje bayamsave nje nakenzi lutho akenzi ifokolo nje uhleli ugoqinyawo bayamsave bese ke ubaba uMzamsele kuyamchazela ukuthi phela ukusave umuntu kukaningi mangithi ake umuntu esimseve ngawo angisho nje financial kuphela ukuthi sikunika imali sikunika imali wena usebenzi sesisho nje ngendlela eziningi ukumhlonipha nayo yonke into bafethu ukuthi yonke into nje ethu mamkhulu bayamrespecta babuye bamenze lokho bakumele bamenzele khona into kanjalo baba uMzamsele ke bengithi phela nawo bosimitha halfway hayi ukuthi manje sikuseve ke njengomamkhulu sikuhloniphe nayo yonke into bese ke wena uyasidelela bese ke wena I think izikhona mhlambe izinto abazibona ukuthi zingamaphutha ewenziwa ngumamkhulu okuyikona kwagcina kudala ukuthi ubaba uMzamsele kethi akekho umuntu engimseve njengomamkhulu la ekhaya kanti ayizukulenda kahle ke when it comes to umamkhulu uthi yena kuyamhlukumeza kakhulu lokho sibona ke beqhubeka ngalolu daba ke. And then siyabona ke lapha yana bafethu ke ubaba uMzamsele esecela ke ekuletha ke number 5 ongomakhwela so bangelo dabeni ka number 5 uzoza umakhwela ke ezobona ke umamkhulu bazomintroduce kumamkhulu Macele so uyacela kubaba uMzamsele sacela kumletha umama ke number 5 esakhuluma ngaye ngoba wayithe umamkhulu mangabe usu ready engase yona intombi esengunkosikazi hayi ungamletha. So nginombuzo bafethu khona lapho when it comes to ke umakhwela eba ngunkosikazi kaMzamsele ku mbuzo ukuthi mina kanti uMacele she is not part of umakhwela getting married since ethi uMacele akazi ukumitha isancinza yena uzomitha unkosikazi oseshadiwe so during that kushada process umamkhulu ezinkosikazi kababa uMzamsele ku asithi nje nabanye they are not part of number 5 getting married mangabe ubaba uMzamsele ku wants to marry let's say number 6 manje mela hambe ayoshada loyo nkosikazi loyo ebese ebuya naye kaMsele kwamanye amakhosikazi esengunkosikazi already they are not part of it amanye amakhosikazi kumele nje ba introduce umuntu oseshadiwe enguza ukuthi ubaba uMzamsele kumele hambe ayokwenza A1 lokho ubuya nje umakhwela usengunkosikazi ngoba umamkhulu phela wathi akafuni girlfriend ufuna unkosikazi so ubuya nje bezomintroduce kaMacele useshadiwe usengunkosikazi usengunumber 5 there is no part where uMacele plays ekushadweni kaMakhwela or anything uza nje la ekhaya esengunkosikazi like so wow azoshadela amadoda uhamba uyoshada so introduce umuntu osumshadile you like that's when I didn't know bafowethu that's why I'm asking ngoba uthe umamkhulu akubuye unkosikazi not a girlfriend lapho nje for me I'm like okay you know what I mean siyabona kumamkhulu evuma ethi kubaba uMzamsele kukena hayi ungamletha and then we see baba uMzamsele ku ehamba eyodibana nomakhwela ke ugirl ubuya ke nomakhwela kaMamkhulu ke ezohlangana ke nomamkhulu into kanjalo so that part of me ukuthi uze sengunkosikazi already and amanye amakhosikazi they didn't play any part in umakhwela getting married just nje mela buye nje kaMsele ke sengunkosikazi that one like about get shuthi mina ngidiza bafethu ngithi isizulu vela ngisazi hayi shuthi mina ngidizi bafethu like yo like yini le okay So which means ubaba uMsamsele kumefuna number 6 angahamba yomshada nje bese buya ke ethi you know what, I'm bringing number 6. Usenginkosikazi phela, she's not a girlfriend. Like honestly bafowethu, okay, I'm happy to see umamkhulu ekhululekile when it comes to uMakhwela. She is happy. Uyabuza ke kubaba uMsamsele ukuthi engabe uzothatha usuku lukabaniki. Bese ethi ubaba uMsamsele kucha njengoba ke lento yonke ka number 5, I think it's very easy for him to discuss it with umamkhulu than amanye amakhosikazi. We know uMakhumalo uthi akangeni phela yena akake unkosikazi wakhe okamsele kuso yena ungenaphi. But I think behind the closed doors yonke into le uMakhumalo, she's part of it. But uthe akangeni uma ngobe siyazi nje akangeni nje benoma maye we know ukuthi akangeni. So uthi ngoba ungwena umuntu engifree ke ukungakhuluma naye lolu daba ke lonke ngizothatha lwakho usuku. Shuthi kuzothatha ke usuku lukaMamkhulu ubonakala ngena inkinga kuthatha usuku lwakhe ke njengoba ke sekukhona uMakhwela ungena naye nje baba uMsamsele kuqale wamshiya emotweni lapha ngaphandle wahamba ke wayokhulumisana noMamkhulu ukuthi hayi ungaphandle ke ugirl bese ke uMamkhulu message hayi mlethe phela. uMamkhulu naye uyasho ukuthi angazi noma ukuthi uza neslender mhlawumbe uza nesidudla noma angazi. She's just waiting to see what kind of girl she is, something like that. Nokuthi unjani nje, I think she was just waiting for that. Wahamba ke baba uMsamsele kwese itholile imvume walanda uMakhwela ke emotweni. Ngale uMakhwela naye ugela uthi inhliziyo yakhe icishe yama ngoba ngesikhathi baba uMsamsele kemlanda akamtshelanga umsurpriseile, akamtshelanga ukuthi namhlanje sizoyahlangana noMamkhulu. Uvele nje wathi ezombona wathi girl, today is the day, okay, siyahamba ke ngiyointroduce kuMamkhulu njengoba ngangishilo. Ugela uthi uvalo angazi ukuthi inhliziyo idibene nenyongo kuyenzakala lapha nesifubeni. Kuningi, she's so nervous ukuyongena kaMacele akazi ukuthi ngenzani. Wesi she wasn't ready, something like that ke bese usale emotweni kusayixoxa noMamkhulu bese babuya bazomlanda ke bayamthatha bangena naye ke kaMacele. Siyabona nje at the end of the episode bengena nje lapha uGele efike ehlala. Siyabona kuMamkhulu ngathi uthi makungena uMakhwela, which means mhlambe kungene something that she wasn't expecting. I do not know bafowethu ukuthi ube expected uMamkhulu uzibonela into benhle nje because she is very beautiful. uMakhwela, she's a very beautiful girl bafowethu. Bangena naye nje bahlala laphana. So I'm just waiting to see ukuthi when it comes to the conversation, how did the conversation go in her finally meeting uMamkhulu bemamkela ekamsele ku into kanjalo bafowethu. But anyways phela, I'm not gonna make this video long. We are going to have a particular a few videos when it comes to this episode ngoba zikhona into efuna ukuyithinta. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngolwandle, ngifuna ukukhuluma again about uMangwabe noMakhumalo kudina yabo and something like that, but I can't make one long video. So sizobuye sixoxe on another video. And also ukuthi guys, akuna clip engizoyi-inserta. Last time nginenzela ifavor ngoba babe complainile abanye bethi hayi wena Philile ungazoyikhuluma le ndaba, ungakhulumi wena, sifakele bona abakhulume sizwele. Bafethu, we are not allowed uku-upload ama-episode athandwa nesithembu bafethu. We get strikes, okay? Siya strike with DSTV akadlali njalo bafethu. Already ngithole i-strike for that particular small clip engifakile kaMayeni ekhuluma ke nobaba uMsamsele ku about ukuba u2 minutes. Kunjena nje ngiboshiwe ngila, okay? Ngine court case ngilana bafethu because of that particular clip. So akho clip engizoyifaka, I will just talk over. Futhi angizokumute any clip ngiyilethe la. I just learned this the hard way. Okay, sorry, I learned this the hard way. I'm not gonna mute any clip yakathandwa nesithembu ngithi ngiyayikhuluma on top of it, whatever. I'm not gonna do any voice over. Ngizovele nje ngiyifakele ithombe lezi ngiyifakayo bafethu. I am under arrest, okay? So konke lokhu kusifaka enkingeni bafethu enikucela bese sithi sinenzela ifavor. Bengithi angifake nje few seconds a minute kanti still noma ngabe that clip is few seconds long, still uDSTV uzokustrike bafethu because you are using their property and you are not allowed something like that. So ngiyabonga ukuthi ubuke video, ungakhohlwa like, subscribe, share, siphinde sihlangane kwenye ilandela. Make sure you watch all the videos ama reviews engizowenza when it comes to episode 6. Okay, bye.